Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking proportions. Draw a circle for the skull, add a vertical center line and a horizontal eye line at about 1/3 down the face. Once done, extend the chin and sketch jaw angles so Naruto-style features sit correctly. Make quick, light marks for the neck and shoulders, and place a loose gesture line for torso and hips. This prevents redesign later and makes all subsequent details fall into accurate alignment. Keep shapes simple and adjust proportions before darkening lines. Now focus on features. Place eyes precisely on the eye line, draw a strong upper lid and softer lower lid to capture that anime expression. Add thin eyebrows, a simple nose bridge, and a small mouth slightly below the center. Include Naruto's 3 whisker marks on each cheek to anchor identity. Next, block hair in large spiky clumps and sketch the forehead protector over the brow. Make sure to refine hair flow toward the crown so spikes read as coherent masses rather than random tufts. Finish by building the body. Use simple boxes for the torso and cylinders for arms and legs, placing joints so the pose reads clearly. Once the anatomy sits, add Naruto's clothing, high collar, zipper line, utility pouch, and defined seam lines, and draw natural fabric folds following body movement. Ink the final lines confidently, erase construction marks, and apply simple shadows to imply volume. If proportions feel off, temporarily lower opacity and compare to initial gesture. Adjust.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.